The Omron NXSL Safety Network Controller explained simply. This is Mike. He works for an automobile manufacturer where he's a production engineering team leader. Mike has been tasked with starting up the production line for a new model without impacting safety or productivity. But he has very little time. And in 6 months, another model will be added to the line, and some sections must be reconfigured. At that time, the safety system must be checked for the entire line and operation confirmed. This all takes time. Mike wonders if there's a better way. For flexibility in line startup and reconfiguration, Omron's NXSL Safety Network Controller is the answer. A safety controller monitors workers and machinery, and in case of danger, stops the line or equipment. Normally, one safety controller is used for the whole line, and this determines the safety system design. That makes reconfiguring a single section of the line very difficult. The Omron NXSL Safety Network Controller lets you configure a safety system using separate units for each process on the line. All processes and robots are controlled by one Ethernet cable, so line startup is smooth and simple. And to check the safety system, whether it's a hardware or software change, now you only need to look at the modified sections. This is much more efficient. Mike is pleased. But to check the safety system, won't he need an experienced safety engineer to manually review each change? Mike still has doubts. With the NXSL Safety Network Controller, it's a simple matter for anyone to check the operation of the safety system. To confirm that safety circuits are operating as intended, Omron supplies special tools. And outputting reports is simple too. And the Omron NXSL Safety Network Controller maintains a continuous record, so if the line stops unexpectedly, the cause can be quickly determined. This shortens the time needed to restart and prevents recurrences, keeping production efficiency high. Mike has no more doubts. He immediately places an order with Omron. An NXSL Safety Network Controller is soon delivered, and Mike has his line set up and running in good time. His team now have a safer, more secure work environment for making cars. Everyone is happy. Omron's proprietary technology improves workplace safety and productivity. To learn more, just search for Omron NXSL Safety Network Controller.